Hey everybody, Barry with Redact.dev. I am going to do a tutorial and explain how you delete your entire Slack history. That's all of your DMs, all of your posts, your messages, all that stuff. I'm going to show you how to wipe it out with just a few clicks, and it saves you a ton of time because you don't have to do it manually. So we're going to go through this real quick. If you don't have Redact, click the link in the video description, download it, and load it up. So you're going to go over here to the left side. You're going to find Slack. You're going to click on it, and it's going to bring you to this page. And you'll see channels and DMs. So DMs are already selected. We're going to also select all the channels because remember, this video is about removing all of your Slack history. So we're going to make sure both of those guys are selected. We're going to scroll down to the date range. Make sure this is what your date range options look like because we are doing all time. So we need to find everything in your Slack account to delete. Okay, so make sure those are selected just like that. Go down here. These are usually for filtering out specific messages with keywords and things like that. We're not going to do that. We are nuking the entire history, so we don't have to worry about this stuff. And that brings you down here. These are the three options you have. So preview mode, let me show you what that looks like. So if you click that, it searches and it brings you to a page that has all of your Slack history from messages, DMs, images you posted, everything. So this gives you an idea of what it's about to delete. So you can scroll through here, look at it all, make sure you don't see anything that you need. If it all looks good, click out, go back, and then you go over to deletion mode. So I'm not going to do this because it'll wipe my entire Slack account. But if you liked what you saw in preview mode and you say, okay, let's get rid of all this, then you would come back and you would go to deletion mode and you would start deleting. Once you do that, it's gone forever. You can't get it back. That's why I recommend doing preview mode before you do deletion mode. If you're comfortable and you don't care about doing preview mode, you can come directly in and just start deleting. The third option is select and delete mode. So let me show you what that looks like. So what this is going to do is it's going to search Slack and it's going to find all the stuff that you've posted, and it's going to let you look at it, and it's going to let you sort of pick and choose what you want to keep. This, depending on how much Slack history you have, this option could take a long time, but still quicker than doing it manually. So those are your three options. For the purpose of this video, you're probably going to want to go with these two. Do your preview mode, check it out, make sure that's all the stuff you want to kill, and if it is, come back over to deletion mode and start deleting. And that's it, and that's how you delete your entire Slack history, both DMs and messages. You can kill it all with just a few clicks, and Redact is free to download, free to try. You can download it and play around with it and see if it helps you out. I'm sure it will. If you have any questions or concerns, reach out to us in our support email. And that's it. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.